Liz, are you going to help push, make the snowman? Push.
I made a big
Good job. Good job.
Mommy, look.
Okay, I'm turning to you, Will. What you doing? You digging?
No.
Digging in the snow? Awesome. Look at all of it. Are you doing it? You push to make the snowman.
Mommy, push. Mommy. Mommy.
Hold on, Will. I'm going to get Jack. Jack, what you doing? I'm trying to make a big snowman. This is good packing snow, right? Whoa, turn around. Look. Look at that. Whoa. Careful.
Mommy.
Look at this. Whoa, good job, Alyssa. Good helping.
This is just the best snow day ever.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's great. Have you gone on the sleds yet?
Yeah. But it doesn't really work.
Oh, okay.
But the snow just